In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix music stops when opening other apps on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when background music from Apple Music or Spotify automatically cuts out the moment you launch another app, like Instagram, TikTok, or a mobile game, it's caused by an iOS design feature called audio focus hijacking. The newly opened app is launching its internal audio engine in the background, and even if the videos are in the app are entirely muted, which tells iOS to drop your active music track. And you can stop apps from stealing your audio stream and lock down your background music player using a few quick methods. So if you're on Instagram, all you gotta do is open up the app, tap your profile grid, hit the three lines that are on the top right, and then go over to media or suggested content. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and scroll down and find that area. Then once you go ahead and do it, look for autoplay videos or media settings. And then once you go ahead and find that, all you gotta do is ensure it is set to mute by default or turn off sound autoplay. Now for TikTok, what you gotta do is go ahead and open up your application and then go over to your profile icon. Then on the top right, press the three little lines and then click settings and privacy. Now once you're here, all you wanna do is locate the playback section. And then once you find playback, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to see a lot of different things. So the one you want to click on is open TikTok on mute. This completely blocks the app's script from killing your active iPhone music thread when you load in. So just put that on and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.